Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about combinational circuits versus sequential circuits. Combinational circuits are designed by the gates, present input and the output. In the combinational circuit, the output is independent of time and depends only on the present input at that particular time. But in the sequential circuit, the output is not only depending on to the current input, but also it depends on to the previous output. So we can say that sequential circuit is a time dependent. Combinational circuits output does not depend on the time. So there is no feedback is required for the next output generation. But in the sequential circuit, the output is depends on the output of previous input which is being transferred as a feedback with the external input for the next output generation. As compared with the sequential circuits, combinational circuits are faster. The logic gates are used for connecting the input and the output in the combinational circuits. Similarly, in the sequential circuits, flip-flops are the basic building blocks for converting the inputs into the outputs. Combinational circuits are mainly used for the arithmetic as well as Boolean operations. On other hand, sequential circuits are mainly used for storing the data. In a combinational circuit, the memory element is not available as there is no need to store the state. But in the sequential circuit, the memory element is available as the sequential circuits are used for storing the data. Adders, subtractors, multiplexers, demultiplexers, these are some common examples of the combinational circuits. And the counters are the common examples of the sequential circuits. This is the block diagram of combinational circuit. Combinational circuit accepts the inputs n-bit input variables and generates the m-bit output variables. Gates are accepting the input variables and generating the output signals. This is the block diagram of sequential circuit. Combinational logic circuit accepts the input variables and generates the output signals with the help of gates. The output of combinational circuit is given as input to the next state to generate the output. The input is given to the memory element for a generation of a next state output. This output is given as present state. Now the combinational circuit will accept the external inputs along with the present state as an input, and the output of the next state is generated. Thank you.